The chickens are eating fresh veggies from the garden. We have some apples, cabbage leaves, corn, carb, cherry tomatoes. Here they are. And I have the little chickies in here enjoying it. Here's a little quail. I'm extending their pen or a runoff. So these little chickies are gonna go in there, in this square. This is gonna open up with just chicken mesh around it, so they have a runoff from there to there. And then behind it is gonna be a bunny's cage. And maybe someday I'll continue that way. I had to cut a tree down